Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. Here you can see. So today in this video I am going to show you the new battery what I am going to unbox. So I have bought this EXIDE battery for my home. So now I am unboxing it. So here you can see. After removing this thermocol, some leakage happened due to delivery. So this I bought from the online, not from the offline store. So some card offer, something was there. So I have bought from the online itself. So here you can see they have given net and bolts and some washers. So here it is written 60-month warranty. There are two types of battery which is giving 30-month warranty, then some of them 60-month warranty. So rate difference will be there. So here you can see all the indicators. That green indicator is not showing means the water level is low. So like this. So that we need to refill it. So now I'm fitting this back. So now it is showing the green indicator. Okay. So now we are going to fix this to our inverter. It is plus and minus ports. So here they are given some battery type and all. Then warranty, total 60 month. Like 36 month FOC, then 24 month pro rata. All the things they are given. So here we need to connect that battery. So here already one battery is there. So this we connected as a backup. So that we need to remove. And now we are connecting this new battery. So while delivering this, you will not get any warranty card and all. So we need to download from their scanner. So in that we need to put all the battery details and serial number and all. So we will get the warranty card in soft copy. Soft copy we will get the warranty card. So friends, now you can see we are already connected. Then that front cover also we inserted. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.